Close to you.
The other side of the ocean makes me get high my emotions. I don't want it to be over. And when midnight comes to my arms, you're right. Another side of the mirror, I wish that you could be clearer. And when we touch the moment, it feels just unreal, making you so real. So leave me lonely, then you stick around to hold me. Stay a little more than slowly walk up the door. So leave me lonely, then you stick around to hold me. Stay a little more than slowly walk up the door. Are you even real? 'Cause feelings I don't feel you come knocking on my heart. You come and then you go. It's high then it's low. You spin my head around. I need you so. Lost in space, you exist in another metaverse. The love you never universe. Is it real if you out? Real if you out? Dance, that's right. Only you and me, just take my hand all night. Some people say we don't make sense at all, but I only care about what you think, that's all. So leave me lonely, then you stick around to hold me. Stay a little more than slowly walk out the door. You leave me lonely, then you stick around to hold me. Stay a little more than slowly walk out the door. Are you even real? 'Cause feelings I don't feel you come knocking on my heart. You come and then you go. It's high then it's low. You spin my head around. I need you so. So much different metaverse. I love you in every universe. Are you a blessing? So I know a curse. So is it real if you out? Real if you out? Lost in space, you exist in another
trying to breathe. Barely holding on, scared going beyond, gone. It's been too long, stuck on this pendulum, back and forth, I can't see. It's just me and G.O.D. Lost, no coming home, thoughts becoming strong, trying to chill myself. I can't feel myself treading water, now my feet are frozen. Blood is leaking from my knees and nose, and sharks around and trying to eat my toes. And about 100% they gon' eat regardless. Give a whole new meaning, so you meet the artist. It's now or never, get up for the beats the hardest. Cause sink and swim, I'll be on the beach for August. Cause all of my shots land like they leave the targets. I be
fool me once, fool me twice. I may mute, now middle vibe. Roll the dice, make a choice. All that matter is your voice. Treat you like you're invincible. Show him that you're invincible. Invincible, yeah, invincible, hey. Invincible, yeah, invincible, hey. Invincible, yeah, invincible, hey.
I never ever went on life jacket, this bad shit. Middle of the gigantic Atlantic. I can't give up, can't stand it, just manned it. Made a flag out of my swimsuit, then planted. I was caught up in a storm, thought I'd never stop. Been a sucker, better swear, found a couple drops. I was headed for my grave, got a couple knots. Trouble thoughts, let me to discover what I really got.
Fool me once, fool me twice. I may mute, now middle vibe. Roll the dice, make a choice. All that matter is your voice. Treat you like you're invincible. Show him that you're invincible. Invincible, yeah, invincible, hey. Invincible, yeah, invincible, hey. Invincible, yeah, invincible, hey. Sometimes I can find words to say what I feel. Sometimes I'm not sure why my heart skips a beat. Whenever I close my eyes like on TV, there are pictures in my head where you're close to me. Oh, I think you really move me. You move me like a fire, you ignite me, ignite me. When did it start to feel alive? Each time you pass by, and when you're gone, I can't focus. Shivers running down my spine. Hey. Oh, I think you really move me. You move me like a fire, you ignite me. I need your love, I need your time. When everything's wrong, you make it right. I feel so high, I come alive. I need to be free with you tonight. I need your love, your time. Everything's wrong, you make it right. I feel so high, I come alive. I need to be free with you tonight. I need your was it something special? You went on and got me wide. Tiny little plant, yeah. Hoping it will grow strong. Give it all my care and love. But something went wrong, yeah. I just couldn't read the signs that all of this is waste of time. But I don't think the fault is mine or mine. Every second that I spent to keep you warm, I won't regret. But out of something nice will turn so ugly. Can't just buy you once to spike it. I'm just being kind. If you wouldn't bring you sunlight, is that not enough? Trying to keep you close and I took it hurt by your thorns, baby. Can't just buy you once to spike it. This is not alright. My efforts go in vain. You are the type who only takes, I guess that no one told you that you need to give. Everything you say is like the sharpest needles. You're messed up. You're messed up. I just couldn't read the signs that all of this is waste of time. But I don't think the fault is mine or mine. Every second that I spent to keep you warm, I won't regret. But out of something nice will turn so ugly. Can't just buy you once to spike it. I'm just being kind. If you wouldn't bring you sunlight, is that not enough? Trying to keep you close and I took it hurt by your thorns, baby. Can't just buy you once to spike it. This is not alright. Oh, it hurts. Next time I'll have to avoid. Get just with a break. You're something I don't need, no. Can't just buy you once to spike it. I'm just being kind. If you wouldn't bring you sunlight, is that not enough? Trying to keep you close and I took it hurt by your thorns, baby. Can't just buy you once to spike it. This is not alright. It's the weekend and I'm slowly walking down the streets. Can't believe there are so many really cute boutiques. Adrenaline rush, like seeing your crush, but better than that. Seems like everything just looks so really goddamn good. And the dress will go so well with my pink boots. Think I will look good and started lightening up my mood. But when I look inside, oh my, this costs more than my love. I should just say bye. I really want this and I really want that, but look at my world, it is greedy and sad. I really want this and I really want that. My wallet is screaming, I'm skinny and sad. No money in my hand. No money in my hand. Guess that I should go, I gotta look for some cash. Money isn't going to drop in my back. Gotta go and find a job so I can buy myself a